Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew vegetable easy method. Start by chopping onions, carrots, potatoes, and celery into bite-sized pieces and heat a large pot over medium heat. Sauté aromatics until soft, then add vegetables, broth, tomatoes, and herbs. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook until tender. Taste and adjust salt and pepper before serving warm to bring out cozy, layered flavors for a simple family meal. Sauté onions and garlic in oil until translucent, then add carrots, potatoes, and any root vegetables so they begin to brown slightly. Pour in enough vegetable or chicken broth to just cover the ingredients, stir in canned tomatoes and a bouquet of herbs, and bring to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and cook slowly until everything is fork tender. Finish with fresh herbs, a splash of acid, and season to taste for a comforting, hearty stew. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy meals. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love these premium socks I wear while cooking. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make standing at the stove comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by using both dried and fresh herbs during different stages of cooking, and always build seasoning gradually while tasting. Toward the end, add a splash of vinegar or lemon juice to brighten the stew and balance richness. For a thicker texture, mash a few cooked potatoes or stir in a slurry of flour and water. For a lighter finish, add greens just before serving. Small tweaks create big improvements in a simple stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.